Have you ever felt that sinking feeling after upgrading your computer, only for it to greet you with a dreaded blue screen instead of a smooth boot? It is a common moment of panic for many PC gamers and enthusiasts alike. When you encounter a blue screen immediately after installing new random access memory, or RAM, it most often points to either an incorrect installation, incompatible RAM modules, or a need for updated system settings. The good news is that this problem is usually solvable with some careful troubleshooting. The core reason this happens is because your computer's basic input-output system, or BIOS, needs to correctly identify and communicate with the RAM to ensure stable operation. If the RAM is not seated properly, or if its specifications do not match what your motherboard expects, the system cannot initialize correctly, leading to a critical error and the blue screen. To tackle this, first, turn off your computer and unplug it completely. Open your PC case and reseat each RAM stick firmly into its slot. Ensure the retention clips on both ends click into place, signaling a secure connection. If you installed multiple new sticks, try booting with just one stick at a time to isolate a potentially faulty module. Next, verify that your new RAM is indeed compatible with your motherboard by checking your motherboard's qualified vendor list, or QVL, which can usually be found on the manufacturer's website. If everything seems correctly seated and compatible, updating your BIOS to the latest version can often resolve compatibility quirks with newer memory modules. An often overlooked detail is the XMP profile, or extreme memory profile, which allows your RAM to run at its advertised speeds. After installing new RAM, especially high-performance modules, you might need to manually enable the XMP profile in your BIOS settings. This ensures the RAM operates at its optimal frequency and timings, preventing instability that could trigger blue screens. Methodically checking your RAM installation, verifying compatibility, and fine-tuning BIOS settings are key steps to transforming blue screens into stable, high-performance gaming sessions. This careful approach ensures your new RAM works in harmony with your system, delivering the performance boost you intended.